Algebra 1 final review. Topic 9 is writing equations of lines in y equals mx plus b form, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. We're going to do this from a graph, from a table, and from 2 points. Using a graph, your y-intercept is right here at -3. So that means that the y-intercept at the end of the graph would be -3. Then your slope, the number that goes in front of x, you have to look really carefully to find another point where it goes through the corner, which looks like it's right here. So my slope would be up 1/2. So 1/2. Y equals 1/2 x minus 3. And that's pretty much it. It's going to always be y equals something x with a number at the end. The number at the end is your y-intercept. The number in front of x is your slope. Remember that the y-intercept is where x equals 0. So the y-intercept of a table is always next to the 0, which in this case would be +4. Then your slope is what's happening with the y's over x. The y's, -2 to 4, 4 to 10, 10 to 16, are going up by 6. The x's, -2, 0 to 4, are going up by 2. So your slope is 6/2, which is 3. You do need to simplify your slopes before putting them into the equation, because that's just good practice in math. The last one, this is going to be your y-intercept because, again, x is 0. All I need to do is find my slope. If you have 2 points, you're going to subtract the y values and subtract the x values. You can also write them like a table, so that then you can use the same method we used on the left, where you're looking at the y's are going up by 3 and the x's are going up by 1. So your slope would be 3/1, or just simply 3. If you have trouble finding the distance between two numbers like that, though, you would write 5 - 8 over 0 - 1. Subtract the y's, subtract the x's. 5 - 8 is -3. 0 - 1 is -1. That is the same thing. -3 divided by -1. The negatives cancel and it equals 3. It's all the same thing. It's just however you want to think through it in your brain and however it's easiest to remember.